Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture, and this lecture is a bus design, and this part is a bus design part, and this is isometric view, and this assemble body is a valve design project. And this valve design project is very useful and helpful, and this inside part is used here, and this is a bus part, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly, and also to the drafting is all available here. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all is a correct and perfect, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very useful and helpful. This is a very useful, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this is a very useful practice this body. And okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed and isometric view. Okay, also perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and this part is a bus, and this is a very useful and helpful this body. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. At first select a part, and part is this. Okay, and select a plain white, and this is use a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this use a 2D drafting is available here, and this use a right view, and right view is very important and correct, and this length is a 90 millimeter is radius. Okay, and this same is a 18 millimeter is diameter, and this is a 5.5 millimeter is radius. Then this is a 15. Okay, this is a 11 millimeter is diameter, and this use a 6.5 millimeter is radius. Then use a 13 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and this distance is a 8, and this 9 millimeter radius. Then this is a length is a total 18 millimeter, and this 18 millimeter is same. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this right plane is suitable for this, and draw a any center line is at first drawing here this, because this center line is use a very important, and use a axis of revolution. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and this use a perfect. Okay, this line is drawing here this. Okay, and select this, and okay, drawing this. Okay, this line is a perfect and correct. This geometry is drawing here easily. Okay, and at first select this point, and this point is a select here a vertical line. Okay, and mention a dimension is this upper line is, and this use a 9 millimeter. Okay, perfect, and also this use a 5.5 millimeter, and this is a 7.5 millimeter, and this length 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this use a 1.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use upper length is a 7.5 millimeter, and this lower length is a 5.5 millimeter is perfect. All is a black color, means this is a fully defined and correct and perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and use a revolve boss base. Then this part is a drawing here, this use a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and one point is also this is use a okay, this use a 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect and correct, and okay, this use a chamfer and 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and use a both side, this side and also this side. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And also use a chromium and chromium plate, perfect. Okay, okay, this bush part is designed easily and clearly and looking perfect, and also isometric is also perfect looking here. Okay, okay, this is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.